Hello.
For calling Toyota. This is Catherine. How may I help you?
Hey, Catherine. I need to schedule routine maintenance for my car, please.
Okay, certainly. I'd be more than happy to assist you with that. Has the vehicle been here in service with us before?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what is the phone number best associated with the vehicle? All right. Am I speaking to Miss Katie for the 2020 Toyota RAV4?
Yes, you are.
All right. I am just getting into that customer profile right now. I have an email address of .com. Is that still correct?
That is correct.
All right. And then do you know approximately how many miles are on your vehicle?
86,610.
All right. And then right now, ma'am, I am just going to run your VIN number to check for any open safety recalls.
Okay.
All right. And then you do not have any open recalls at this time, so you are good to go on that. And I am going to go ahead and just get your routine maintenance added into the system. All right. And then lastly, would you be dropping off or waiting with the vehicle?
It depends on what time you can get me in.
Okay, yeah, so let me look to see. So my first available,
Okay.
I have Monday, I'm sorry, go ahead.
I was going to say, because in the past, they opened a 6:30 slot, and I've been able to wait with my car and then drive to work. But if it's anything after that, I'd have to drop the car off. And I drop it off at 6:30, 7 o'clock, and then pick it up after work. So whatever, I can go both ways, kind of sooner than later.
Yeah, so my first couple of available appointments are at 4 and 4:30 p.m. for Monday and Wednesday. Let's see. Yeah.
Well, I could still drop it off in the morning, right?
Yeah,
and
certainly.
then you could just get to it at the 4:30? Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, yeah. So do you want to do Monday the 8th at 4 p.m.?
Yes, please.
Okay, let me go ahead and just get that confirmed for you. All right, well then I have got you all set, ma'am, for this coming up Monday, May the 8th at 4 p.m. You will be receiving that confirmation by email or text. And then if anything happens to change, just go ahead and give us a call back.
Okay, will do. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, thank you for calling. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.
You as well. Bye-bye.